Wow. Oh yeah. Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook down here in Cabo San Lucas, and we're hanging out with our special guest, Leo Mena, who works at the Hard Rock Hotel, and he helps out here at Casa Hogar, which is a home for boys and girls that we absolutely love, and we do a lot for them as well. And I know you do, and you volunteer quite a bit. I'm so excited because I get to learn how to make your incredible ceviche. Right?
Yeah.
How did you get involved in cooking?
I had to learn how to cook because I left my parents' house when I was a teenager because of school. So I got tired of eating sandwiches, you know? So I had to learn how to cook different things.
Okay, so what kind of ingredients do you put into your ceviche?
Okay, today we're gonna use whitefish, we're gonna use octopus, scallops, shrimp, tomato, lime juice, salt and pepper, of course, some cilantro, and this is one of the special ingredients, one of the secrets. This is basil, and I love cooking ceviche with basil. We're gonna add some basil to it, and on the grill we have some onion grilling. So that's basically it, and love, a lot of love.
And we'll just pull that right out of your heart, okay?
Exactly.
We'll get that love right out of his heart, and we'll put it in the ceviche. Oh, awesome. Okay, this is great.
Okay, first we need to cut the fish and the shrimp. We need to clean the shrimp.
Okay.
And take this black thing out of it.
Wow, helps to have a nice sharp knife too,
This knife is beautiful, yeah. So we just add the lime and leave it there cooking for 7-10 minutes. Put the scallops there for 20 minutes.
You said when we're doing this octopus here, and you boil the spoon with the octopus.
With the octopus.
You're not like just using it as a tool.
No. Leave it there while it's boiling. Just throw it in the water and let it boil for 20 minutes. And the octopus will be like buttermilk.
Like perfect.
Perfect. So the fish is almost ready. We just cut it in small pieces, and then we're gonna cook it in lime also for 10 to 15 minutes. Tomato, we need to cut another tomato in small pieces.
Okay. You have a son?
I have a son. I actually adopted a kid. Coming here and volunteering at Casa Hogar was so touching for me and my wife, and we really wanted to give a kid a different opportunity. You know? These kids need so much love, and we couldn't say no to it. When the time came, when we got the opportunity, we spoke about it and we said we have to do it. And we just got blessed with a beautiful angel. He's such an angel, such a great kid.
That's just you're a blessing. You're a blessing.
And cooking for him. He loves my food,
Does he
so
love
I
your
love
food?
that. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
He loves shrimp especially.
He likes shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you started him young, getting him into the good stuff,
Oh
right?
yeah. Okay, once everything is cooked, we're gonna mix everything. Now I can add the tomato here. I'm gonna use this, cut some cilantro. So this is ready, and one of the secrets as well, all the lime that you use to cook everything, don't use it, exactly, because it takes all the fishy flavor from the seafood. This is cooked already, so we can add it without a problem. So now the fish, we're gonna leave this cooking for a bit.
Okay.
Probably 5 more minutes. We're gonna give it to it.
More lime. Okay.
Salt and pepper. We're gonna mix this for a bit.
Okay. So your secret ingredients on this ceviche is that barbecued onion you got over there that we're doing.
Vaquero.
Cowboy way, right on the coals.
Correct.
Okay, get it nice and hot and cooked, and this fresh basil.
Correct. If you wanna do my ceviche, you have to add basil.
What does food and family mean to you?
Family is a very important thing for me. Cooking is just part of it. That's probably my best way to show my love to my people, cooking for them and seeing their faces when they try it is just amazing.
And everybody sits down at the table.
Yes, correct.
Talks and says what they've been doing.
Exactly.
Food really brings it out.
Of course.
You know, I mean, a good meal makes you happy, and it gets that bonding going. Perfect timing too, right? Perfect timing. He's like, what? Okay, so we're gonna let that kind of hang out.
Correct.
Ceviche.
We're gonna just add some olive oil.
Really?
Forgot that in the beginning, but
just a little olive oil too.
A
as
little
well.
bit of it only.
We're gonna get cranking on
The salsa. In the traditional way, you have to use this.
Okay.
This is volcanic stone, so it adds all the minerals from the stone, and that's very good for the food as well.
All right. So what do we got for ingredients for this wonderful salsa you're making?
Okay, we have Anaheim peppers, oregano. We have basil, roasted garlic, and cilantro. Use some lime juice as well, salt and pepper, and waiting for the habaneros.
Oh, just the smell of the garlic.
Oh
So good.
yes, it is very good.
So what I'm noticing that you're doing that not everybody else does with their salsa is roasting all of your garlic, peppers, even in your ceviche, you're roasting your onion.
Okay, and now we're gonna clean the
peppers.
peppers.
Okay, so we're gonna clean these peppers up. Oh, look at that. Those peppers look good.
Yes.
And you didn't do anything with them, you just threw them on the grill, right?
Yes, correct.
You didn't put
I
any
did
oil? You didn't put
nothing, nothing.
no
Just put 'em-
spices?
nothing. So now you just start smashing everything.
Smashing it with the stone.
Exactly. We're gonna add some olive oil to it.
So this is a salsa without tomato, correct?
Without tomato. It doesn't have any
have the
tomato.
tomato.
Any tomato.
You see, that's the other thing.
Salt.
Everybody else would think of a salsa is a tomato,
yeah.
kind of salsa.
Yeah.
I love this whole stone process. This is authentic here, right here.
Wait until we add the habanero and you try.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna just add one.
wow!
Okay,
This
we're
is
almost done here.
this is gonna be amazing.
We're gonna need some lime juice.
More lime juice.
Yeah, almost done. But now I'm taking the onion.
Now you're talking. Oh yeah, you can smell the sweetness of,
Yes, of the onion.
of the onion as
Yes.
well.
There you go. Okay,
All right,
now we're done.
I'm just gonna mix it up, huh? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so here we are, hanging out at Casa Hogar. We got our fabulous director of Casa Hogar, Jason. He's hanging out with us now. We're making him be the taste tester. And we've got the kids, we've got Corbin and his friend Gavin with us. And of course, our chef Leo from Hard Rock Hotel hanging out with us today.
Thank you.
Making
Jason.
this amazing ceviche. I can't wait to dive in. Take a piece of
A
this.
piece of this.
Kind of crumble that up
Put
like,
some,
like so.
Put some ceviche in it.
Okay, I'm just gonna, you wanna use a fork?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try the little fork here. Wow.
Does it work?
Yeah.
So this is going to be Canadian dad perspective living in Mexico.
He's going with the salsa.
Oh my God.
Is that a nice amount?
That's a good amount.
That's
Yeah, it's a good
Mexican
amount.
amount.
He got it.
Can you breathe?
Not yet.
far?
So far it's okay, right?
It'll come. It'll
Totally
come.
fine. Absolutely fine.
Casa Hogar has been home to over 300 kids. More than 300 kids have passed through our doors, so this extended family continues to grow. All of this is thanks to the generosity of our donors. You can help today by visiting casahogarcabo.com. And generous families like yours, the Glovers, have made our 13 years of operation a success, and we hope for many, many, many more years.
Wow, that's so amazing, Leo. So incredible. The flavors just explode in my mouth. Everything in there roasted. You roasted it all. I mean, the ceviche, I love how you roast the onions and put that in there too. Unbelievable flavors. These are so good. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for being a part of Dad's That Cook.
Thank you
and
so
hanging out
much.
with us.
It's
And
an honor for me.
next time we're going fishing
Let's do that.
and you're gonna make
Let's do
ceviche right
that.
on the boat,
Let's do
right?
That's a deal, man.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
All right, great. So that's it. That's what we got. Make sure you check out the recipe and we'll see you next time.